Proper Wi-Fi network installation and troubleshooting are essential to a happy customer. I'm Stephen Hardy, Editorial Director of Broadband Technology Report and Program Director of the 2018 Diamond Technology Reviews here at the VIAVI Solutions booth at SCTE Cable Tech Expo, speaking with Dan Dillon, Product Line Manager, about the Home Leakage Test Kit. So Dan, the Home Leakage Test Kit earned 4 diamonds in this year's Diamond Technology Reviews. Let's start with a really basic question. Just what is a Home Leakage Test Kit?
Well, the Home Leakage Test Kit is a home leakage transmitter that is connected to the ground block, and it works with a option-equipped DSP or ONX meter that you connect an antenna to walk out the house looking for home pressurization. You're trying to pressurize the system to find the smallest of leaks throughout the home.
So how does the pressure test work?
The pressure test works by taking the transmitter to the ground block or the tap, and it injects 2 high-level signals, 40 dB or 60 dBmV, at both the LTE and the aeronautical frequency to check 2 frequencies at the same time throughout the house. You walk through the house with an option-equipped meter that has an antenna on it, and what you do is you look for the leaks. It has a tone proportional to leakage levels, so as you walk through, the meter will make noise as you go through and find these leakage locations.
So bringing it all together, how does use of the Home Leakage Test Kit improve cable operators' efficiency?
So in the past, you'd have to take a dedicated leakage receiver into the home, and what we've done is now put that leakage receiver directly into the field meters, our DSP or ONX series meters, and with that meter you can now walk out the home, find all the problems with ingress. As we know, ingress is a big problem in the homes, and we've been looking at it for quite a while. But what this allows us to do is see these problems when there's not ambient ingress in the area at that time, so we can actually see what the house would perform like if we actually had signals in it.
Thank you, Dan.
Thank
For
you.
Broadband Technology Report, I'm Stephen Hardy.